What bothers you the most when using dentures? Plaques, odors, or dentures life shortened? Mr.Strong Denture Cleansing Tablet removes the toughest stains, kills 99.9% of odor-causing bacteria, helps reduce plaque buildup, and keeps your appliance minty fresh and clean. It dissolves within 3 minutes, kills 99.9% odor-causing bacteria, safe formula compliant with Europe and North America market, and flexible MOQ and variety packaging for OEM. 3 steps to use. Firstly, drop 1 tablet in water. Then soak dentures for hours or overnight. And at last, rinse the dentures by water. It can be used on different appliances like dentures, white and clear retainers, mouse and light guards, and removable bridges. With outstanding features of denture tablet offers more gentle way to clean your dentures. We have related certificates which make our products sell all over the world. And automatic production lines keep the tablet clean and hygienic. Our denture tablets are sent to Europe, North America, and many other countries of the world. Besides the tablet, we also offer a full range of products for dentures.
Y&R. Live for better.